Yeah, so hello everyone. This is Mr. Taiwo. So this is my Hot Forex account. So you go straight to this. You can see home, my account, funding, platform, promotions, education, HF copy, PAM, partners and help. So first of all, you come to PAM. You click PAM, you see my manager's account, my investor's account, PAM managers ranking, Hot Forex PAM program. You can just check them out and to understand what's all about. But everything I explained to you, that is what's all about. So you can, if you want to register for the PAM account, just click my investor account. So if you click my investor account, then you will see where to register here, because here I just registered it. I think last 2 or 3 months. So this is where it will take you to. So you can choose a fund manager, for example. Come here, PAM. See PAM managers ranking. So if you want to choose managers, there are a lot of highly skilled professionals there that can trade and make a lot of money for you. So made over time. So for example, number one, for example, okay, you can see here this opened 1,035 days. Minimum deposit that you can deposit under this manager, $250. So gain 3,960 plus a percent last month, last week, maximum drawdown. So let me just choose number 6, Mera. So let's just, you can click it, you click the name, so it will take you to his profile. You see the stats, everything. So you can see the description here. So dear investors, if market conditions are unfavorable, I may rarely trade, which is normal, which is very, very good. That's what I do personally. You don't need to trade always. Money is in the waiting, in the market, in the patient life. When you are patient, you make a lot of money. That is why a lot of traders lose every day, because they are not patient. They want to trade every day. But if you are managing your account under a highly professional trader, you will really lose. So when trends appear, I may trade very aggressively. Short time capital loss is normal. Yeah, loss is normal in every business, especially in forex. But if you get it right, you will make a lot of money. So you need to have confidence in my strategy. So minimum deposit to manage under this trader is $250, but you can be topping it up even if you have $10,000, because the more money you have, the more money you make. Imagine someone managing $250 and you have $2,500. If Mr. A that has $250 makes $100, you that you are Mr. B that you have $2,500, you make $1,000. So that is it, because the lot size will be different, the risk management as well. So depends on how much you have, but this is the minimum. So you can add to your favorite. You can click invest under Merak. So, and as you can see, success rate is 15%, which is very, very great. Imagine you making $1,000 and the manager just collects $150. So you go home with $850. So even if you make $10,000, the manager will collect $1,500. This is very, very great. And as I can see this, I think it's very, very great. So let's see. So gain is 889% over time. So you can check them profitability. It's okay. So you can come back, check another one. So there are a lot of them here. There are a lot. So for example, let's choose Adele. That's number one there in the rankings. So definitely must be a very, very good manager. So $250 too. So this is 15% too, like 15% success fee. That is share. That is their sharing formula. You get the highest. So let's see the gain. Wow, 3,960 percentage. That is the gain he has accumulated over time. So this is great. So you can just choose the 1.5. That's great. A lot of traders there that you can choose from. So when you do that, for example, you just click here. If you're interested, just click here, first under Adele, then your personal forex account password, the amount you want to invest, I hope you understand. First, your normal forex password, you put it here, and the amount you want to invest, you put it here. You would have make deposits on your account, on your hot forex account before you just it's like internal transfer. You should understand you're a trader, so that is how it works. And this is introducing broker, though they say not required, but that is where you put my IB, which is a 335684, because that is only thing I gain in doing all this for you. And I charge nothing. I didn't charge anything. So even if it's 0.5 cents or $0.1 or something I get in return, I think it's okay, as long as you are making good money. So please, that is why I didn't collect anything. That is the only little benefit you can do. And if you like, well, you can leave it empty and let me gain nothing. But it should be good if you reciprocate the good thing I did rather. So please, introducing broker ID 335684. 335684. Thank you. So this is it. So now let's check the second one, which is a HF copy. Can you see? Open strategy provider account, open follower account, strategy list. What is HF copy? You can check them to know more about HF copy. Open a provider account. Maybe if you want to be giving people a signal or something, I don't know. But most people, they want to make money, so it's better you go there and choose a great trader. Yeah, that is very, very great. So that you can be copying and getting. A lot of people are paying for this. I personally know one app. I won't mention the name. And before you can get access to stuff like this, you have to be paying $250 one-time payment, and you'll be renewing it every month with $100. So here you are paying nothing. So you need to rush this and make sure you benefit from it. So open a follower account. You have to open a follower account to be getting it. So for example, click open a follower account. You can see minimum deposit $100, very, very cheap. Minimum subsequent deposit $50. You can deposit as much as $10,000. It depends on how much you have and how much you want to make. So leverage, Then introducing broker, please don't forget, please. 335684. That's just, it means that I am the one that shows you this, that refer you to this. Even if it's $0.5 or something I get, it's okay for me. So don't be an ungrateful fellow. That's just a joke anyway. But please make sure you input it 335684. Thank you. So you put it there, you tick the box, then you open an account. So that is how it works. And let's see their okay, HF copy strategy list. If you want to check those professionals that are trading here in HF copy strategy, you click a strategy list. And lest I forget, you can be managing the two together. You can be managing one from a HF copy and one from Palm account. You can just, for example, if you have maybe $500, you can divide them to $250. If you have $5,000, you can divide them $2,500 twice, one to Palm and one to a HF copy. So you'll be making money both ways. Just make sure you choose a good trader. All of them are good though, but you can choose one from the top. When they rank someone in the top, it means they are good. You understand? So, and okay, this is a strategy list. You can see this is number one. Harley is from Vietnam. You can view his profile. You can see view profile. You can view his profile. Gain, which is 13,947.6%. Wow, this is very, very good. 402 days ago. It started. You can follow. So if you click follow, then automatically you'll be following him, and you'll be every trade he trades, then you'll be getting it in your accounts too, because it will be connected. Everything is automated. You don't have to do anything. Everything is automated. Just click it and be enjoying. So it has 400 followers. So maximum drawdown is normal in market anyway. So risk score 1. So before they can list someone at the top like this, definitely it's very, very, very great. So Harley, if you want to follow, you can just follow. Okay, compared to this, maybe let's check another one. This is from Vietnam as well. 7,509.13% gain. So you can see 7,000. That's very, very great too. Because if you compare the day, this is 141 days and this is 402 days. So definitely be within 300 days, or not up to 300 days anyway. So you would have made, if it continues like this second one would have made let me see, 14,000 or 15,000% gains, and this one in 400 days he has made 13,947. So automatically this at this pace this one is going, it may override this. Yeah, you should check it. So you can choose anyone anyway. So you can see a lot there. I personally have some friends that are here, providing signals and making money. And I personally have one that are following people and are making money. But these two, I think they are very, very great. So you can choose, for example. So if you want to follow, you follow like this. You click follow. So you see, you ask you to, do everything that is required. So please, that's about it. And this is a great opportunity that you have to leverage on. This is 2021. Everything is going crazy. BTC, you can see as at last night or something, I think 40,000 or 41,000. So, and it's going to even $1 million. It might not be in 2-3 years, but it's going to that, even more than that. So a lot of other coins too, other altcoins. So if you're interested, maybe later I can do a program with you guys about that as well. But don't slack this year. Make sure you make money every possible ways, and mostly every legal way. Don't make money legally. So if you have any question, please just DM me. Let's talk. Thank you so much.